Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and you're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for Us All. So, welcome to this segment once more, Cooking Made Simple. Okay, so a very simple recipe for pancakes that I make. So this is something I make regularly for the grandkids, so I thought I'd video it. So, ingredients, some plain flour, we will be using about 300 grams, 4 eggs, 4 bananas. So you notice the, what can we say, slightly um, not so hard or, on their way out. I mean, for me, those are perfect, but nice and soft anyway. Okay, we'll need butter, we will need sugar, we will need milk, and over here we have some honey, and these are the other things that I use, ground nutmeg and ground cinnamon. So just adds a little bit more taste. So we are going to peel the bananas and add the other ingredients. Okay, so to the bananas we need to add the eggs, 4 eggs, but obviously as per need. Okay, so those need mashing up really well. So as you can see, the bananas are not really as soft as we thought they were, but it's all we have. We're adding more ingredients now. This is the sugar as per taste. Again, we've put 5 tablespoons. Can we put some, what's that? Is that nutmeg? Yeah. Again, a tablespoon. And sorry, that was cinnamon. This is nutmeg. Okay, 2 spoons of honey, please.
Sorry, 2 spoons of honey, please.
Okay. Can we give that a mash? Mash. We're just adding about 300 grams of flour. Can we add the milk to that, please? Okay, 1 cup of milk. So give that a good mix. Okay, we're going to melt the butter now, viewers. Okay, we're ready to make our pancakes, viewers. So it's entirely up to you. You can make a really big one, or the way that we make it is to make sort of 2 smaller ones. That's it. And try to keep those separate. We're going to let those cook. Okay. Would have been better in the center, but never mind. Okay, so those are cooking away nicely, and we've got to make sure that they don't stick. Okay, as always, I think it's rather well done on one side, but we will turn it over. Okay, try to turn the other one over as well. That's excellent. Okay, so we're going to cook this side as well, and that is our pancake then. So as you can see, we've made smaller ones. So I think we found that the consistency was rather thin, so we've added some more flour, viewers, and let's see how this one turns out. So we're going to have a nice okay, so we're trying to make 3 this time. Okay, so that one's better, so I'm going to cook the other side. Okay, and the third one. There we go. So as you can see, the consistency wasn't so good. These are much better. So there we have it, viewers. We think they are done now, and transfer that into the serving plate. There we go. Nice, simple egg and honey pancakes. Lovely at breakfast. So I do hope you'll try the recipe. As always, we managed to make a few boo-boos, but never mind. The end product is there, and I assure you it is lovely and sweet. So I do hope you will try it. As I say, please keep watching the channel. Please keep supporting. Please watch fully. Please watch the playlists. So until the next time, look after yourselves, look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज, अल्लाह ने के बान.